On 13th of November, USUKA Bokolia Regional called for a press conference to address the scam made in the construction of farm pond from MGNREGA scheme 2019 and 2020. United Students Union of Karbi Anglong Bokolia Regional called for a press conference on 13th of November at Wolongkom RG PHEIB and expressed their dissatisfaction over the construction of farm pond under MGNREGA scheme 2019 and 2020. Alleged the involvement of Langsomepi development block Bokolia in covering up the practice of corruption. Subhas Kiling, President, and Krishno Timung, Vice President of USUKA Bokolia Regional, while addressing the media, informed that due to incompetency of works prevalent under Langsomepi development block Bokolia, they had filed RTI petition to the respective concerned authorities to know the in-depth details of the various projects and schemes undertaken under the block. According to the reports of RTI that was showed, it was found out that the works carried out was not as per the proposed plan and the scheme was meant for rural areas while it was allotted in urban area. Moreover, the bill of the project was also withdrawn without the work done and without knowledge of the actual land owners where the project was allotted. USUKA Bokolia Regional has taken dharnas and submitted several memorandums for the intervention of the government into the scam prevailing under Langsomepi development block, but no any action was initiated so far. USUKA Bokolia Regional also alleged the involvement of Langsomepi development block employees in covering up the practice of corruption.
Kucing hindi kila puno, je Rajin plan ada yang tu blok saya kita mana ada pusat tuan, inside back nanti pusing ni tu ni dalam lo.
USUKA Bokolia Regional appeals Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council government to pay heed into the matter and take stern action against the corrupted official involved in it. As he had stated earlier that any person practicing corruption with the project and schemes provided from the government to the people, that person would not be spared. Therefore, USUKA Bokolia Regional appealed Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to be a man of words.
Nitum puden tuning rilap ke hai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang apan zero tolerance against corruption tu ki pudam apot tela pana lo pare et lapan theglong prong abatai ki pipen nge lapan lang ding bomante lasing itu apa dharna gang itang lo non jong sila ke bang jilangan jong sila sopo prap jin pen lang cari tunte politin itum Bokolia Regional Committee USUKA hinpen so dak ngati samon pada yang ko dharna tamin itum none phongkang ipan itum tisik panakok.
Dear Chunarong, peace report from Puluni and Sarpangri Ingti reports from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live.